If you haven't started using rice paper seal to decorate your cakes in this time and age, this video right here is a sign for you to start right away. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make them the easy and simple way. Hi, my name is Funmi and you're welcome back to Bake with Funmi. And to make a rice paper seal, you need rice paper, and you can get them in any store around you, any baking store, supermarket. It's sold everywhere. So the next thing you're going to need is your water, just room temperature water. You also need foil or parchment paper and maybe a silicone mat. Now I'm cutting the rice paper in the size and shape that I want. So you can cut them in any size and any shape. You just have to know the way you want it to look on your cake. So now that I have them in my desired shape and size, I'll be going ahead to color them. So I'm going to put some gel color into the water, and you can have them in different color variation, or you can just leave it plain like that. So if you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed, now is the right time to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. So I made this rice paper seal to go on a cake, and I'll be uploading the video on Friday, so please watch out for the video on Friday. And now is the best time to turn on your bell notification so you get notified immediately the video drops. So now I'm going to prepare my parchment paper, or if you're using foil, just wrinkle it up, and this is what is going to give your rice paper the texture and movements. So you're going to just wrinkle it up and just shape it in the way that you want it to appear. You want your rice paper to appear on the cake. So now you're just going to soak up your rice paper in the water and allow it to soak for a while, or until the pattern on the rice paper disappears. I soak mine for about 5 minutes. So when it's done soaking, you just take it out from the water, and then you're going to squeeze out the excess water, and then you're going to place it on your parchment paper. So shape it properly and spread it out, making sure that it's not overlapping so that it can dry up properly. So now I'm just going to use toothpick to insert at the bottom, and I cut off the excess that is just too long so that it doesn't get too tall on top of the cake. So mine is going on top of the cake, not on the body. So for if you're making anyone that has to go on top of the cake, please insert a toothpick or something to just hold the rice paper and just insert it into the cake. So for the one going on top of the silicone mat, I'm just going to lay it flat and just move it around a little bit so it will have little movements and little designs. So the next step is letting them dry. You can bake them in your oven if you want it faster, on a very low heat, and you can bake for about 40 to 60 minutes depending on how low your oven is, or you can just leave them at room temperature and let them dry. That takes longer though, but they all still come out the same way. So I'm done baking mine. This is how it looks. So for the wrinkled one, just carefully take off your parchment paper. It can break as well, so just be careful with it. Take it off from your parchment and your rice paper seal is ready. So what I do is, whenever I'm making different color rice paper seal, I always make extra down because it comes in handy. You might get an urgent cake order and your rice paper is ready. You can pick any color you want and just use it on your cakes. So I made this rice paper seal for a cake design, and I'm going to be uploading the video on Friday, so watch out for that for the video on Friday. And thanks for watching. Please share this video and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.